Hey kids, are you ready to make animal sounds with me? Here we go! Fun at the farm, fun at the farm. Lots of animals, lots of sounds, lots of fun at the farm. Look, there's a horse, a tall brown horse. What sound does the horse make? The horse goes neigh. Look, there's a cow, a big white cow. What sound does the cow make? The cow goes moo. Look, there's a pig, a big pink pig. What sound does the pig make? The pig goes oink, oink, oink. Look, here's a chicken, a white feathery chicken. What sound does the chicken make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Look, there's a dog, a cute brown dog. What sound does the dog make? The dog goes ruff, ruff. Look, there's a cat, a quick gray cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow, meow. Look, fun at the farm, fun at the farm. Lots of animals, lots of sounds, lots of fun at the farm.
Strawberry Bob, nursery rhymes and happy times. That's his job.